Ito ba? Kami nag-TV na. Yun, TV. Tak, bantu dah. Bantu juga. Ini dah. Ini ke ibu ke atas. Ibu dah, weh. Dah ada. Oh, dah. Oh. Ini bang sudah. Oh. Atas snowboard ng bet.
Wala ko dulu sih.
Goyo ka nanay? Ha? Kala. Ito, dala. Ito. Bigbiron. Go. Net. Kawin sa daag atas, Net. Ano yun?
Ay, may itlog. Kuhaan ba itlog?
Kuyog ni. Yung kuyog yan eh.
Upang ka, nanay? Itlog mo lang na bawa.
Sita ulit sa siya. Yan, nilalap yung ba? Malibag sa kutulong mo.
Potatoes have slept all through the winter. Why's he got that shell thing on his back? That shell
Adria.
is his own.
Oh.
It's very high to be a skirt. Would you like
Adria.
a straw? Yes, please. Don't be scared, Tiddles. How old is he? Tiddles is 30. Has to carry his house on his back. Oh, Dr. Hamster, I think Tiddles is escaping. He can't go far. Because he is so slow.
Kaya.
I've got
Kaya.
someone else to show you here. Dinosaur. Oh, George, you always say dinosaur. Oh, it is a dinosaur. She's not a dinosaur. This is Lulu, the lizard. Hello. Wow. Does she sleep through the winter like Tiddles? No. Oh, don't worry, Dr. Hamster. We'll find Tiddles. Is he
In the music room.
in the playhouse?
Tiddles is not hiding by the coats.
Nanay.
I can smell Tiddles. There's Tiddles.
Tiddles is up a tree.
Oh, I better call for help.
This is Miss Rabbit's fire
Ay
station.
lang. Ale, babat sa ta. Babat. Ah, dili ka kuyo. Di ka kuwan. Sakay tang motor. Na, babat sa ta. Ale, babat sa ta.
Iyo.
George, you're a
Kuyo.
Dudung, ni ko dudung.
naon.
Naon siya.
Ito nanay ko, ito nanay. Ito nanay. Ito nanay ba?